Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you what tabs are on a browser and how you use them and how you can have multiple tabs open at all at the same time and what that means to you. So stay tuned to this video. Okay, so I'm inside the Chrome browser, and this is on my Mac. So if you have a Mac and you have Safari browser, you can also add Chrome browser to your computer. You can also add Firefox, and so it's entirely up to you which browser you like to use. But tabs are looking at right now, we're looking at a tab, and a tab allows you to go to different websites. So you'll notice that it says search Google or type a URL. A URL is a website. So we can type in here Jaguars. And let's just go cars. So we have a tab open here, and this is a web page, a Google search for Jaguar cars, and so we can scroll up and down, and this is searching for Jaguar cars. Now if I wanted to look at something like Harley Davidson motorcycles, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this little plus sign, and the plus sign allows me to open another tab. So we're going to open another tab. We're going to go Harley Davidson Touring, and then we come in here and we could search. We go to images and we could look at images, and we click on this image. It brings up this nice motorcycle, and so this allows us to look at a motorcycle. Now if I wanted to look at pipes for this motorcycle, I'm going to just go over here. I'm going to go, so this is my third tab that I've opened up, so I'm going to go Fortnite.ca. wait for this comes up. I already have something. Okay, that's that. Let's go Harley pipes and search this, see what we come up with. Okay, so you can come in here and you can do a search. So if I was looking at Harley motorcycles, which I have, and I want to upgrade my exhaust, then you can open a new tab and you can come to this website, and you can then do a search for the type of pipes that you want for your motorcycle, allowing yourself to keep this other tab open. So we're going to go back to this other tab, just left click it, and so there is your other tab open. And then if you go to the right, here's your other tab, and so you can just have as multiple tabs open. So you can, if you're doing a search for something, if you want something for your car or you want something for the house and you're renovating a house, so you know you're doing a new bathroom, you want toilet, you want bathtub, you want vanity, you want mirror, so you could have 6 different tabs open on 6 different websites, and then that will allow you to see what you like, and you can keep them up. And then if you have a picture in front of you of your bathroom, or you're visualizing it in your mind, then you can bounce from tab to tab and see what you like. And if you want to look at pictures, you look at images, click on images, and then everything to do with whatever your subject you're looking at is under images. So these are Jaguar cars, just like the Harley. I clicked images. And it doesn't matter how many tabs you have open. So you can click another tab. You can click another tab. And you can, let's look at David tires. So if you're needed a tire for your motorcycle or something. So now we got Harley Davidson tires. We got Harley Davidson exhaust. We got the Harley Davidson itself. So you see what I'm getting at? You can open up multiple tabs. You can leave the tabs there. And if you want to delete the tab, all you have to do is you come up to this little X here. And we're just going to left click the X. And now the tab's gone. With the pipes, you want to get rid of that, just left click. The tires, get rid of that, just left click. Jaguar cars, left click. And so on. Or you can just keep opening tabs as you go along. And you see, as I open them up here, I got multiple tabs. So I'm going to take my mouse pointer, I'm going to hover over this part because there's so many of them. Not enough. See how they're shrinking? Okay, in Safari, you can put your mouse pointer over all these tabs and you can move tabs back and forth. This in Chrome you can't, so I'm just going to start deleting these by left clicking them. So this gives you a little bit of information on tabs and how they work, so you understand. You can have you're looking at buying something, so you Amazon. There we go. So then you want to go shopping. You come in here and you go shopping, right? So that just gives you indication of tabs. Now I'll show you something else about tabs. If you have 2 or 3 open and you want to prioritize these tabs in order. So Amazon, Harley Touring, Jaguar cars, and what do we put in here? Tires, whatever. Now, if you want Jaguars in front of Amazon, you left click and hold and see how it's highlighted, and now move your mouse pointer and see how the tab just flipped back and forth. So now we can move this all the way in front of Amazon, and here you go. So you can adjust your tabs where you want them. So if they're not in order, maybe you're reading something on here and you're verifying something on something else and you want the tabs side by side, then that's what you are going to do. You're going to move these tabs. Now, if I left click and drag, see how it comes off? It comes right away from this other browser. Drag it off. So I just put it back. So if you want to have a fresh tab with nothing else, that gives you enables you to do that. Otherwise, you can just put this right back. You can move it left or right, or we can close it. And you see that? You want to take Amazon, left click, hold, and drag your mouse, your finger down on your mouse, and here we go. See, there's the Jaguar tab open, and there is Amazon, and we put it right back to where it was. Right back. Okay, so that gives you information on tabs, how they work. They're virtually the same in Safari. You can drag it off. You can move by moving them left to right. You're going to just hover your mouse over the tabs in Safari, and you're going to move your mouse to the left, to the right, and you can just sort of goes like on a spin. and a spin to the left or a spin to the right to whatever tab you want. And that's with Safari browser. We're looking at the Chrome browser right now. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Please comment and share. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.